So, dear students, first of all, let us have a glimpse of your syllabus. In your syllabus, in statistics, in total you have 3 papers. Statistics C101, and it has credits 4. Then the statistics C101 left, that means this is the practical based on the paper 101, and the third one is the paper C102. So this is the calculus paper, the mathematics paper. So we assume that you have at least some idea about the mathematics, and I believe definitely you have. In the first paper, actually, you see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. The first one deals with the scope of statistics, origin and development of statistics, the idea about the statistical data and how we present the statistical data in tabular and in graphical ways. And in unit 2, you have the measure of central tendencies. This is also sometimes known as the measure of location. We deal with mean, median, mode, standard deviation, etc., in this paper, and I think you have gone through these topics. In nowadays, it's there in your school level also, and definitely you had gone through these topics in mathematics in class 12, I believe. Unit 3, you have the idea about the bivariate data. All these things will be explained in time. Then scatter diagram, then correlation coefficient, etc. And then unit 5, you have principle of least square, the idea of fitting polynomials, etc. And the unit 5, that is the probability, theory of probability. I think you also gone through the theory of probability in class 12. In mathematics, I know that one paper is there. And the paper, this is the practical paper, that means practical based on paper 1 means C01. You have this graphical representation of data, then the practicals based on the measures of central tendencies, based on dispersion, etc. You have fitting of polynomials, then evaluating the correlation coefficient and the regression coefficient. And C102, this is the calculus. This consists. This has the credit 6 credit, because this paper doesn't have any practical. You have the differential calculus, the idea of functions, the partial differentiations and total differentiations, then maxima and minima, and also you have integral calculus. And integral calculus, along with this, you have beta gamma functions. I think you are not aware with this beta gamma functions, but you have sufficient, a good idea, I feel, as you have gone through class 12. Definitely you had differential calculus and integral calculus. Then in unit 4 you have differential equations, etc. Fine. Formation of solution of a partial differential equations, linear partial differential equations, etc. So actually, the suggested books for this first paper, you go through the books, Fundamentals of Mathematical Statistics, and also you can purchase this one also, Gupta, Dasgupta, Fundamentals of Statistics. And for practical, actually, this no need to purchase any separate book. That Fundamentals of Mathematical Statistics, this will serve the purpose. And for this paper, actually, I suggest 2 books. You can purchase any one. You see it's written here in your suggestion. Gaurav Prasad, Differential Calculus, and Gaurav Prasad, Integral Calculus. These 3 books are not locally available, but one more book is there. There is Darshan Mukherjee book, Differential Calculus and Integral Calculus. You can go through this book. So this is the book Fundamentals of Mathematical Statistics. It's Sultan Chand and Sons publication, S.C. Gupta and B.K. Kapoor. It's a big book, and you will get everything of paper 1, I mean C101 in this book. And this is the differential calculus, Das and Mukherjee. And from paper 2, you will get everything of differential calculus in this book. However, if you can wish, you can purchase one line, that Gaurav Prasad book. That book is also very nice. Similarly, if you purchase this book, Differential Calculus, you have to purchase a book of Integral Calculus also by Das and Mukherjee. So first of all, I shall start this paper C101 and shall start Unit 1. Okay, so one thing, you have to follow everything properly, and do not keep any pending work. I will give you some tasks also, and you will do it in time. And in case of any problem, you can contact me over telephone also. You can contact me over WhatsApp also. And you have to purchase the book. So whatever I teach, I will give you notes also, and at the same time you follow the book. This will give a clear perception of the paper.